Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to evaluate a very interesting integral. I is equal to integration of x square divided by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. At first glance, this looks difficult because the degree of the denominator is much higher than the numerator. But if you understand the logic behind this problem, you will start seeing integration in a completely new way. So let's begin. Step 1. Observation. Let's carefully observe the denominator x to the power 4 plus 1. This expression cannot be factorized easily into real factors. So, common methods like substitution or partial fractions do not work directly. Now, look at the numerator x square. This suggests that we should try to create symmetry in the integrand. The key idea in such problems is try to express the numerator in terms of the denominator. Step 2. Splitting. Observe this identity, x square. We can write this as x square plus 1 plus x square minus 1 half. Okay. So, we can rewrite the integral as I is equal to integration of x square plus 1 x to the power 4 plus 1 dx plus x square minus 1 x to the power 4 plus 1 dx integration half. Okay, this is I1, this is I2. This is the turning point of the question. Turning point. Okay, so let's solve the first integral. Step 3. I1 is equal to integration of x square plus 1 divided by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. We will take x square common. X square 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square dx. This will cancel. Okay, so let us put x minus 1 by x is equal to t. Implies that differentiate 1 plus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. Okay, this is numerator. Okay, square x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 2 minus 2 is equal to t square. Implies that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square plus 2. So, I1 will be equal to dt divided by t square plus 2. We know that integration of dx by x square plus a square is equal to tan inverse x by a. So, this will become I1 is equal to tan inverse 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, 1 by root 2 t by root 2. Okay, is equal to tan inverse t is equal to x minus 1 by x divided by root 2. Implies that I1 is equal to 1 by root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 divided by root 2x. Okay. Okay. Now step 3. Step 3. Second integral I2. Okay. I2 is equal to integration of x square minus 1 divided by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Okay, take x square common, 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square dx. ठीक है. Similarly x plus 1 by x is equal to t. ठीक है. Implies that differentiate this 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. This will be equal to numerator. Okay. Squaring both sides, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to t square. Implies that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square minus 2. Okay. So I2 is equal to integration of dt divided by t square minus 2 is equal to, factorize this, t minus root 2 t plus root 2. Now we will use partial fraction here. Okay. We will get dt divided by t minus root 2 minus dt divided by t plus root 2, t plus root 2 minus t plus root 2. We will get 2 root 2. Okay. So we will divide 1 by 2 root 2 here. Okay. Easy. Now integration of dx by x minus a, x plus a, whatever, is equal to log x plus a. Okay. So we will use this here, 1 by 2 root 2 log t minus root 2 minus log t plus root 2. Okay. Is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 log a minus log b is equal to log a divided by b. Okay. T minus root 2 divided by t plus root 2 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 log t is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x minus root 2 divided by x plus 1 by x plus root 2. Okay. Is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 log x square minus root 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus root 2x plus 1. This is equal to I2. Okay. Because I is equal to 1 by 2 I1 plus I2. So I is equal to 1 by 2. I1 is equal to 1 by root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 divided by root 2x. 1 by root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 divided by root 2x. I2 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 log n x square minus root 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus root 2x plus 1 plus c. Okay. So I is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 by root 2x plus 1 by 4 root 2 log x square minus root 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus root 2x plus 1 plus c. This is our final answer. Okay. The most important learning from this problem is the approach, not the answer. When direct methods fail, Look for symmetry, split the integrand intelligently, and then reduce it to standard form. Solve step by step, think logically, and integration will never scare you again. Follow Mathology for more high level maths explained simply. Thank you.